Hi everyone! I have a new project to share with you. Little space monsters in a flying saucer. 5 cute monster finger puppets and a flying saucer that also works as a holder. The monsters can be taken out of the flying saucer and played with separately. The flying saucer has a pocket for storing all finger puppets neatly inside. The puppets are designed for little fingers and are perfect for pretend play and storytelling. Each monster has a simple, friendly design and is quick and fun to sew. When playtime is over, the monsters can be placed back into the flying saucer for easy storage. The sewing pattern is available in PDF, FCM and SVG file formats. It comes with illustrated step-by-step sewing instruction. Thank you for watching. Bye!